When it comes to locks, it's not hard to take care of, but there are things that you really have to enhance from being natural to being locked. And one of the things you definitely have to do is find a way to find your moisture balance. When I was natural, it was a fight with the little single strand knots, and I found that the best way to fix those was to use oil in my hair. My hair likes oil. There is not enough oil you can put in my hair that would oversaturate it. It's just not a thing. So forgive me, it's early in the morning. I just woke up and I need to start my day. But what I want to do is, I washed my hair last weekend, and what I tend to do is I wash it, and then I use my oils, and then I will rinse it out the next weekend, and then I would condition it, use some kind of conditioner. But I wanted to incorporate different conditioners. I have a couple videos talking about it already. So for me to pay for something to take care of my hair, my very first thing is, I don't want to have to pay $30 for a conditioner and only get to use it like 3, maybe 4 times because I run out. So these are the 2 conditioners that I want to compare. And they're dealing with, how much do I get for the price of the conditioner? What are the ingredients? Are the ingredients okay to use on my hair? And what are the benefits and all that kind of stuff, right? So I have 2. Suave, this is 30 fluid ounces, and this bottle was less than $4, right? Pierre's Apothecary plus Superfoods Repairing Conditioner with Coconut. I picked this up from Ross, which is the only place that I'm willing to shop for my hair products because of the price and the size that I can get. If you're a person struggling financially and you have locks and you want to maintain your hair, some of the great places that you can shop would be like Ross, Burlington, stores like that. So for this one, it's 33.8 fluid ounces. Ingredients, I'll put them on the screen, right? And it comes with a nice pump. And then you have Suave. This is the Tropical Coconut Nourishing Conditioner infused with coconut extract and vitamin E. And then I'll put the ingredients on the screen, okay? So what I want to do today is compare how they work on my hair. So I'm gonna part my hair down the middle. I'm gonna apply the Superfoods on the left side and the Suave on the right side. I know that people don't like to use conditioner on their locks, so let me give you a close-up of mine to show you that with all the things I've done with my hair for almost 3 years, you don't see any product buildup. It's not so much what you put in your hair. It is all about what your hair type is and how you clean your hair once you put certain ingredients on it. One of the pluses for me is I interlock, so I don't have any gel or I don't use that. I started it out in my first year, but after that, I went to interlocking. And when I did retwist it, I used water and oil and maybe some kind of spray, but I'll get into that in a different video. So let me give you this close up, and then I will proceed with the video, because you know, again, you know, I'll be in here 45 minutes talking to you about nonsense. One moment. talk about lint getting in your hair and how it's inevitable for everyone. But this is 3 years worth of locks. Well, 3 years next month. And as you can see, on the surface, there's no lint in my hair at all. I do plan on doing a video to show you, to give you some tips if you do have lint. But for me, it's little to no lint. If you see anything white, this is my gray hair is peeking through. I'm going to eventually start diluting it because these although it's not like super thick for your locks, your conditioner should be diluted. So here's how it looks coming down. I'm not squeezing the bottom, I'm just letting it drip so you can see the thickness of it. Now I'm squeezing it. All right, so again, this is the Suave. It's going on this side of my head. This one, it's hard to pump on cameras. It look exactly the same. Put Suave Essentials Tropical Coconut Nourishing Conditioner on the right side, and the Pierre's Apothecary plus Superfoods Repairing Conditioner Coconut on the left side. Comparatively, they feel the same. They're both weighed down. They are heavy conditioners, so if you're looking for something that's light, this is not it. Now, you can disperse this into water and use it as a spray to lighten up the conditioners. I went full force on the heavy side, but I wanted to show you, I wanted to see if there was a difference, which I didn't think that there would be. And I rinsed my hair for about 15 minutes straight with high pressure water, starting off with warm to cool. But those were the results. So technically, if you're looking for cost effectiveness and you want a product that lasts, something like Suave or its counterpart like White Rain might even be better because it has better ingredients. In the 34-ounce container might be your best bet with locks. But if you want something more nourishing, especially with the care of your scalp, because that's what's really important, then you want to try to find products like this that's going to give you more bang for your buck. that's going to give you more product for less money. You're going to find these at stores like Burlington, Ross, and maybe a few other places. I only shop at Burlington and Ross, so I can only tell you that you can usually find something like this there. But yeah, especially something this size. But if you bought it from the store at retail price, it's still worth it because you do get a lot more product compared to some of the things that I see from like Shea Moisture and all of them. So I'm gonna oil my hair. If I have any other advice or something that I forget on the video, I'll link it. I'll link the information below, or I may write it on the screen somewhere. So until next time, I'll talk to you later.